What is up, guys? In today's video, I'm going to talk about the different mods that I've done. I made a video about a year ago talking about the mods that I did, but since then, I've added quite a bit. So I want to make this video to keep you guys a little updated on what's going on with it. So let's not waste any time, let's just jump right into it. The first mod that I want to talk about are the coilovers. I bought Rev9 Coilovers. They didn't come with the top hats, but I've been riding on them for about 6 months, and I have no complaints because they've been riding great. I haven't had any issues, so I'm pretty satisfied with them. Something else that I've added was I added the front lip and I added the side skirt. The side skirts were universal. The front lip was supposed to be from my car, but I'm pretty sure they sent me one that was made for a Mazda 3, but I just put it on there anyway. It doesn't fit that great, but man, it's staying on there. It's not going anywhere, so until it falls off, I'm not getting another one. Side skirts are still holding up. They're just kind of wavy. No matter what I do, they still become wavy. So I just, something you got to live with unless you buy the ones made for your car. I installed a new rear spoiler. I just made a video about that if you guys want to check that out. I have a lot more clips of it so you can kind of get a better idea. I'm not sure if I'm going to keep it on because it doesn't fit the best, so kind of mixed emotions about that. I'm still riding on the Corksport Muffler that I mentioned in the last video, but since then I did delete the Resonator and I added a Corksport Air Intake. I found it on Facebook Marketplace for a pretty good price with the box. I had to modify the box to fit in my car because it was made for the previous models, but I mean, for the price that I got it for, it was a steal. I also made a video on that if you guys want to check that out and kind of see the install and how everything went. I'm not sure if I mentioned this, but I did get covers for the front chrome trim because I really hate all the chrome that's on this car. I've mentioned that in the last video. I paid 80 bucks for those things and they don't even fit good. I should just pay the shop to vinyl wrap it because I attempted it and it came out like crap. So you get up close, you can kind of tell they just don't fit right. 80 bucks, they're staying on there for now. The window visors that I previously had started to crack and peel, so I ordered a new set. I also made a video about that, which was kind of pointless, but if you want to look at it, go ahead and watch that video too. I did find a set of 19-inch OEM wheels. I found them on Facebook Marketplace for 150 bucks. 2 of them didn't come with tires, 2 of them did, and the tires are basically brand new. All I had to do was get tires and paint them because they were kind of scratched up. I had 17-inch wheels on here before, and the car's so big that once I lowered it, those wheels looked even smaller than before. So I vinyl wrapped all this black. I got a carbon fiber cap for the top of the steering wheel, and then I got a carbon fiber cap for this chrome, or this chrome piece that was down here. I did have these huge chrome paddle shifters. I don't know if you guys remember that. I think that's in the video, I can't remember. Anyway, I got the smaller ones. I made a video about these. They fit a lot better. You know, I really feel like I did a lot to this car, and now that I talked about everything, I realized I didn't do that much. Well, with that being said, I know I forgot to mention something and I can't think of what it is, but hopefully I can think of it, but I can't, damn it. But yeah, guys, thanks for watching the video. If you have any questions, please drop it in the comments, or I'll drop my Instagram in the description below if you want to reach out to me there, and I'll answer it as quick as I can. But yeah, thanks again.